day and welcome again. It's me, Chef Ochi, and today we're going to be making milkshake. This is the holiday period. Our mommies, our parents, aunties, we all have the children at home. So this period is the time you have to fatten them up. Many of you are complaining when they're in school they don't eat. So fatten them up this period so that when they go back to school you'll not be worried that they're going to look skinny. We're going to be making milkshake, banana milkshake, and for that I'm going to be making use of some bananas. I have 4 bananas here, the short bananas, 4 of that. I have apple, I have milk. This is approximately 1 cup of milk. You have to make your milk very creamy. And I have 120 ml of ice cream, 120 milliliter of ice cream. Now, for every milkshake, the most important ingredients are ice cream and milk. Once you have that, you can as well just put up any other ingredients and whip up whatever you want. But you need to have ice cream and milk. There is no milkshake without ice cream and milk. Thank you so much for those of you who have been subscribing to my channel. For those of you who haven't, I don't know what you are still waiting for. Please do well to subscribe and follow my channel. Okay, we're gonna start. I'm gonna be making use of some ice cubes because I didn't freeze my fruits beforehand. If you can freeze your fruits, put it in the freezer for like 4-5 hours beforehand, and you wouldn't need some ice cubes. So now we're gonna start by putting our ice cream in the blender. Now this makes approximately 1 glass, 1 highball glass. You could use more ice cream, but I'm using just this quantity. And then we're going to throw in our bananas, our apples, and then our milk. Oh, what a lush goodness. And then I'm going to be adding 2 ice cubes, but I don't think I'll have the time to chill. So cover and simply blend away. Alright, is that easy? We're done. We are done. So let's pour this out and serve. It's that easy. La la, ooh la la. Oh, this looks yummy. Ooh. Here we have our banana milkshake. This is yummy. This is ideal for the entire family. And you know the most beautiful part? This is actually very filling. 1 glass of this and you feel full. Like you feel full. You don't even crave food. You're just full. This is really yummy. Ideal for the entire family. For daddy, for grandpa, for mommy, for the kids, for everyone. You just want to indulge yourself and just want to, have something sweet. This goes perfectly well. You just garnish with cucumber slice and, you just even chop some bananas on the top. It's perfect. Well, remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember, until next time, when I come your way again, make I just run go drink this thing first. Thank you. Bye.